design engineers really hold the key to cost. It's widely understood that the majority of costs, so just almost 60%, is committed at the design concept stage. So this is the area where you've done most of your physical development of the part. You might know what it looks like. You might have a CAD model. You might even have some FEA analysis done. At this stage, the majority of your committed design cost is locked in. If we walk through the process development, the product development process, we look at the next stages in terms of prototype development. Before you start developing your prototype, you're likely to start layering the support structure for that product development. So you're going to have design drawings, you're going to have any testing, you might have additional CNC programs, or you might have engineering manufacturing routings. And then as you start to get into manufacturing, you start to layer that even more as you start committing to suppliers, or you're committing to internal facilities. And as we go through this process, is getting, as we stack up the support structure in here, it gets more and more difficult to change. And if we have engineering change orders within this process, it becomes increasingly more difficult and more expensive to make those changes. So even if you're late in the design cycle and you notice a cost-saving opportunity, you might have missed the boat in terms of cost-effectively implementing that change. And the stage we really don't want to get to is if we have parts in the market and we had to do product recalls, because that can be catastrophic.